This will help you register this course on Cengage, the online textbook and learning tools resource. So you'll go to the course in My Talladega and navigate down to Learning Tools over here on the left. Go ahead and click that link and it'll open up and you'll see that there's a course key listed. You're going to need that to register with this course. Click on that bottom link and that is going to send you to Cengage. And this should be what you see or something similar. You'll see your name. Up there in the top right, click that link and that's going to pull up a dialog box. And in this dialog box, you're going to type that course key and then hit return. And after you've done that, you'll be redirected back to this page, scroll down and find that textbook and learning material. It's called MindTap. And there it is right there. So link to that. That's going to pull up your course. See the name of your text. It might not be this text. It might be something different. And then you'll see each chapter. You can drop down and see the different material for each chapter. You could read the chapter, scan the photos. That's about it. It's pretty easy.